then you've got an overlay of the standard engine. So this one's your most important one, the torque. You can see the torque previously.
Yep.
This is a little bit because you've got a block DPF filter, so yes, we did a read on your DPF filter, but the massive delta gain that you've got in torque is colossal. So the drivability of it now will just be so much smoother to drive.
Yep.
It's not just about the power, it's about how smooth the drive and the uptake. So it'll just drive like a completely different vehicle, but Adam will catch you on video. So
excellent, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, sir.
Like I say, it's all going to charity as well, which
Absolutely
is a good thing. It's going to a Sheffield children's place, so yeah, good
excellent
thing.
Difference is unbelievable. Jesus, it's unbelievable, isn't it? That is just a massive you'd be sat roundabouts, you'd be, shall I go or shan't I? Now it's like, you've got the confidence to do it. That is, honestly, I'll just have to get used to not wheel spinning as I'm pulling away.